This tutorial explains how to modify a quiz question while the quiz is available and adjust learners' grades accordingly. You can edit a quiz question after a quiz is available and even after some learners have submitted quiz attempts. This task consists of two distinct steps. First, we will change the quiz question for learners who haven't taken it yet. Next, we will update the attempts already made on the quiz. To begin editing the quiz question, click the quiz's context menu. Select Edit. After that, navigate to the question section. Then click on the specific question. This message stating that modifications to this quiz will not affect attempts that have already been submitted or are currently in progress. Change the question. After you are satisfied with your changes, navigate to the Save option. Click it. Click Save and Close. You are returned to Manage Quizzes. If you want the updated attempts to automatically reflect in your gradebook before updating quiz attempts, make sure that the assessment settings of the quiz allow for automatic grade exports. This option can be found under the Evaluation and Feedback section when you are editing a quiz. Next, we will update the quiz attempts for learners who have already completed the quiz. To update attempts, click the quiz's context menu and select Grade. Click the Questions tab. Then confirm that the Update All Attempts option is selected. The modified question will take the place of the incorrect one in the list of questions. The incorrect question will be listed under questions that are no longer part of the quiz. Click the question text to update the attempts. Navigate to Grading Type. You can update the number of points for all attempts by inputting the desired score for the incorrect answer, or give points to a specific answer. Include a comment if desired to explain to users why the update was made. When you are ready, click Save. Select Yes to continue. After that, click Go Back to Questions. Verify that the Published option is selected for all updated attempts. This guarantees that the system sends the updated attempts to your gradebook.